Here's how you change a flint on a Zippo. Open up the Zippo, pull the tab up, remove the intersection. Right here, you're gonna need a little flathead screwdriver. Unscrew that, loosen it up, and you can pull it out by hand. I'll do it left-handed. And right here, so you take the old, try and get the old flint out of there. If there's a piece of it in there, there it is. And now you take your flint container. So you get this little notch section right here. Spin that around to where the flints are. Load one up in there. Eject it into your hand. Take that. Drop it down into the hole. Like so. Stick this back in here. Tighten it down by hand until you can't anymore. Take your screwdriver. Just tighten it up pretty good. You know, it's a little snug. While I've got it open, I will squirt a little lighter fluid in there and all over myself. Stick it back in there, close that, and there we go. New flint.